was a hard day. We got all the trees done. These are the big avocados, and I was so exhausted, not as tired as the tree guys were. So thank you so much to V&E Tree in Anaheim. They did a fabulous job. So maybe the craziest part about owning real estate is making sure that you don't get the wrong stuff, put the wrong trees in. The neighbor's bougainvillea is costing me roughly about $400 to remove from my side. It is so overgrown, and I'm having to pay, and they shouldn't even have me doing that right now. It's ridiculous. So this was a free tree from the city that was planted too close to the building. It takes all the water from the avocado tree, and now I'm gonna have to pay to cut it down. He's cleaning up that. Pepper tree is gone. Woohoo! Great. What? What did we learn? Well, the biggest thing that I learned was that you can actually reach out to an arborist. They can come out to your property. They will give you a free consultation on anything about the trees. Before you get free trees from a city, any city that has a tree program, make sure that those trees are actually going to benefit your property, and that you're not going to have to pay thousands of dollars to have them removed once they grow to their full potential and maturity. That's the biggest thing that I learned. So I'm Danae Sellers. I hope you have a great day.